How to delete another account in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete another account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to delete another account on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Then once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is, let's say if you are actually logged out of your account here, what happens is that because of logging in the past might have saved you a couple of accounts here on the login page, so you want to remove those accounts from your Facebook app. So to remove those accounts, before you try to log in, whenever you're on those pages, do not select login to select this profile and login. Instead, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find a little gear icon there, so tap on that settings icon. Then you would have to select the profile. In my case I only have one, so it's selected that one by default, but you have to select your profile. Then you have to tap the remove profile option, then tap the remove button if you'd like to go ahead and then remove those profile. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically delete account on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.